Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download PyCharm for free on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download PyCharm on PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you are on your web browser, next, I want you to search for JetBrains.com. And after searching, you will then be directed to the official website of JetBrains. By the way guys, if you are wondering what is JetBrains, JetBrains is the developer of PyCharm, so on their website is where we can download the app. So to download PyCharm on this website, you just need to scroll down and then you will now be able to see all the apps of JetBrains, including PyCharm, so just go and click it. And then click the download button. And after clicking it, you will now be directed to the downloading page of PyCharm. So here on the downloading page of PyCharm, you will actually see two different versions you can download. So for the first one, this is the professional version, which is the paid version of PyCharm. This one is good and offers advanced features, but you will need to pay for it. And if you scroll down, you will be able to see the second version, which is the community version of PyCharm. This one is the free version you can download. In my case, I will just download the free version, which is the community. And after that, your PyCharm will now start downloading, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And right here, you will see the location where your PyCharm files will be saved. If you want to change it, just click Browse, but if you are already fine with the location, just click Next to proceed. And then right here, you just need to select your PyCharm installation preferences. I recommend you to check these three, since these settings make it simpler to access and use PyCharm. And for this option, this will set your PyCharm as the default IDE to open your Python files, so if you want that, you can also check it. And once you're done setting your preferences, just click Next to proceed. And then you can now click the Install button to start installing your PyCharm. And after that, your PyCharm installation will now start, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done, congratulations, you will now have your PyCharm, so you can now start coding or creating your Python projects. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.